Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and as you can see, the lower limit was perfectly respected yesterday, and the higher limit was perfectly respected today. So this was the range that we predicted, and Nifty has traded perfectly within this range. So as usual, let's go and delete all the lines we drew previously. Yes, and start afresh from the monthly time frame. Nifty is, let me take this out. Nifty is bullish on our monthly time frame. Why is it bullish? Because it has made a higher low. So sellers have created a new base for here in Nifty. And unless this base is invalidated, invalidation doesn't mean close, it just means even touch. So as Nifty comes closer to this level, there should be high conviction buyers stepping in and then buying Nifty off this level. So it should not touch this level. So until then, on a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Important levels, previous 80, previous 80H. Let's mark it in red. That's where the big sellers are, big boys in the market. Support level, previous swing high. Why am I still marking it? Because we are waiting for the monthly candle close. So do not look at this movement. Even on the last day of the month, everything could be bought back and then we could get a good close above this. I've seen this multiple times in the market. And the next level is, as I said, the previous swing low. This is the level that should never be touched. Okay, then going on to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, I was not sure. I'm still not sure because it has not created a higher low, a lower high. So this high, this was the last high, the previous high, and this is the present high. It's higher than the previous high. So I would like Nifty on a weekly basis to come back up here and then fall. Then I know where the sellers are selling with confidence and where they have created the uh, new level from which they will keep selling how many ever times it comes to that level. So I'm still not sure. There's a bullish, there is a bearish bias, but I would still like Nifty to make one, give a chance to the buyers to take it higher a little and then see where the big buyers are. So we haven't tested. So somewhere in this range, there are the big sellers. We need to know where they are, or maybe there are no sellers in this area, and then in this case, Nifty will break upwards. So until then, I don't know. Going okay, this is an order block. Let's just mark the midpoint of this order block. The body of the candle is what I normally mark as the midpoint. The mean price in which major trading was done, so that's where it's taking support. This is the order block that we're talking about. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, it is bearish. It is still bearish because this was a high, this was a lower high, and then it looks like we're creating another high. On a daily time frame, there is this almost flat top candle. Flat tops and flat bottoms. Okay, there is this flat top. It almost coincides this level. I don't want to mark that, so let's mark this level. Flat tops and flat bottoms are big sellers and big buyers. Make it a thinner line. It's almost a flat top, not exactly a flat top, but I would like to mark it. If Nifty decides to come down tomorrow, what is the next target? The initial target is this one. Mark it in green. 24,587. The major target is this one. 24,432. Why is this a major target? Because this is a major low. What's a major low? Here is a low. There is a higher low to the right of it. higher low to the left of it. So that's a major low. It just means it's a, okay, let me just get the, that's 24,004. That's 24,000. So 24,000 is the next target for Nifty. If this, so basically, if you look at it here, if Nifty opens somewhere here and decides to come down, then this is a high. That's a lower high. And then this becomes the next target of Nifty. 24,000 becomes the next target of Nifty on the lower side. Now let's go over to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame too, it is bearish. As you can see, a high, a lower high, and a lower high. Perfect. Now going to the hourly candle. Hourly candle is where it is consolidating, because you see this high was taken, it made a higher high, and now this is a low, this is a higher low, and here is a higher low. That low was also invalidated, and a lower high wasn't made, so it is not sure. So when you see this not sure there, it becomes a very choppy market, and it starts to sort of give you violent swings and consolidation kind of phase. It's basically not good for traders who are option buyers like me. Okay, so that is it from my side. Once again, I am not a certified analyst, and whatever I show and say here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.